Hello, my name's Rachel Tumman and I'm the Head of Visitor Operations for the Jorvik Group of Attractions. I'm here at the site of Willow House Garden for the first of our volunteering garden sessions. The garden project is due to run alongside the Archaeology on Prescription project, which started in September of this year. So we're hoping to engage external volunteers and staff volunteers to really work on this marvellous garden site that we've got here. The purpose of the project is really to help people's mental health and to focus on their health and well-being. We decided that this was a great project to work on so that staff could really get involved and work with external volunteers and make a difference to the local community down here at Walmgate.
It's actually been really fun to be a volunteer on this project. Being able to get out and enjoy the weather while I can, hang out with some of my colleagues and get to know them in a different way, and just be part of this incredible project and watch it go from the early stages where it was just an idea, and now we have this beautiful garden that's coming together, and it's been really fun to watch it develop. In addition to all of the outdoor things that we're doing, we do have plans for wet weather days, or days where it's just way too cold to be outside, where we'll be inside Willow House doing seed propagation, seed planting, planning for the next year, all these wonderful, fun winter projects that gardeners love doing, even when they can't get their hands in soil.
So my name's Liz and I'm a volunteer with this project. I've got involved because I'm retired now, and in my old job I used to do projects like this, and it's really nice to get people who are lonely and on their own out helping do a nice garden. So we've been clearing quite a big board around there today, so we're just getting it all prepared, ready for planting. So when we're in we meet every fortnight, and so next week we can be bulb planting and things like that.
Anyone interested in gardening in a city centre green space should come and join the York Archaeology gardening project. You don't have to be an expert in gardening or archaeology or even have any historical knowledge. All you need is a desire to get involved and to help make a real impact and difference on this wonderful green space down at Willow House for our participants and the local residents. Sessions are fun, informal and flexible, with lots of opportunities to meet new people and friends. To find out more information or ask any questions, please feel free to contact us on volunteer@yorkat.co.uk or visit the website.